All right, today's day 3 since I put the hives in, and today's the day I'm going to check to see if the queens made it out of the cage or not. The only difference between these two hives right now is that one has an entrance reducer and one doesn't. As far as behavior, they look exactly the same, except for I just see more activity right outside the entrance of the one without it. Almost like there's more bees, but in the one with the entrance reducer, they just seem to be more concentrated around that smaller hole. That might be why they say to have the entrance reducer. It creates less space for the guard bees to have to guard. So, one of the goals here for the inspection is to have the cover off for the least amount of time as possible. That way you're not disturbing them for too long. So I'll try to just get in there, check the queen cage, see what it looks like, and then get out of there. Still plenty of food left in the food container. I don't think normally you wouldn't take the top off, but I'm going to because I should have put the top cover on top of this box, not the second one. So I'm going to do that this time. Now the queen cage looks like the weight of the bees, maybe they pushed it down. So hopefully that didn't affect her being able to get out. I've already started building a lot of comb here, which is cool. A lot of comb already on here. I'll get the camera here and show you in just a second. The concern is though that queen cage is all the way down at the bottom, which I don't like. But she made it out. That's good. And they glued the queen cage to the side. Take that off real quick. Can't tell exactly where she's at, but they are starting to build some comb. Drones. She's definitely out of the cage. Just wanted to see if I could maybe spot her quick. Haven't been able to yet. There she is. Got her with the red dot. So I know the queen's in there. She's alive, so that's cool. Now I'm going to get it back in. Stay closed up so they can do their thing. This time I'm going to put the top cover on this actual top here. And then I'm put this water here. I give some corners in the top cover, like I was talking about how they glue things together with propolis. There's a couple of corners in there that I can already see that they've put some in there. So that side. For this next one, I'll bring the camera over and I'll show what the inside of that one looks like. Hopefully, we're in the same boat with that one. It's kind of the same in here. It doesn't look too bad. The queen cage on this one is actually still where I put it, so that's better. It didn't fall down like the other one. This one, it looks like the queen has not been let out yet. It's all the way open, but well, yeah, she is out. There's just other bees inside the queen cage, but the queen has already come out. That's good. All right, we'll pull a couple frames and kind of see what we got going on. I got some, they got pollen on them. They're carrying pollen around in there doing their thing. We're also starting to build some comb on these as well. Looking good. See the queen on that one. I may invest in a frame rack and hang on the side of these things. It gives you some place to put your frame whenever you're doing this inspection. definitely out of the cage, so wherever she ended up being. Get the camera and kind of show you what's going on in here. Alright, so down in here, they're kind of in there doing their thing, starting to build a little bit of comb. You see these here. So you can kind of see how clustered they are on there. Again, I haven't been able to find the queen with the red dot on her head, but I know it's got to be in one of these frames somewhere. And from a lot of the reading I've been doing, so you may not, see the queen very often, but as long as there's eggs in there, which right now I don't see the eggs either. They're just there's the queen. I'll see her on the next one. I'll try to get a shot of it. I see comb. They're building comb, but I doubt that she started laying eggs yet. Just on this first day or two, but I guess it's possible. And you may not be able to see it on the camera, but there's a red dot, and I'll there. So that's a good sign. These have plenty of food left in them. I don't really know. Only a couple small holes. But well, that's that. Not as much talking in that video, but I just wanted to kind of get in there and figure out what I was doing. Found the queen in both of them. They both came out. They're already starting to draw some comb out, so everything looks good on from what I can tell. You can see on this one, no entrance reducer. They're in there, kind of coming in and out. And then this one, same thing. And they are clustered around there now more that I've disturbed them, but they got a much smaller area to get in and out of there, so it kind of concentrates their swarm, I guess, if you want to call it that. But all in all, I guess whatever was supposed to happen did for this part. So maybe 2 or 3 more weeks now before we come in there again, and then we'll really get a better idea of what their comb looks like.